welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I am taking you around the Camarillo outlets in California, and then after I walk you around, I'll come back here to the present time and show you what I got. So I hope you enjoy. Let's hear all about it. Grogu and some pants. 17. So they have these still for 12, and they have some of these a little longer, but I don't see the jacket anymore. Oh wait, there's a jacket. Oh B, this is the jacket I got at the biggest. So that's the front, that's the back. Oh no. Some socks. I don't understand why their socks are so much. It's like $12. Phone cases. They have this one. It looks like they have more sizes here. Same price.
This is cute.
Oh, that is cute. What's the back? Aw, it looks like you work there, huh?
Nothing to look.
25. Some of the earrings. So we saw some Bubble Bar $25 ones. Some Alex and Annie for $30. It's just 2021. Keychains. More of these like gear things. More earrings, $15. Some Bubble Bar, Mickey, and then just some knickknacks here. They still have this hat box. They have more now. $4. Maybe I should get it. It's getting so cheap. This $4. Like a whole set of the metal alerts, which is kind of cool. And then some Steam Willies, and then this, and then some of this. It's stale. And then they have chip. They have the two. You can get, nah, no thanks. You can get both for 70 together, I mean. Not each. I have a bunch of Spirit jerseys. And then they are $50. They have a food and wine festival. From Epcot, actually. Interesting. 35. Star Wars Cloud City. 55, so the most expensive one so far. They have a Christmas one. 40. And then what's this one? There's a, oh, marble. Oh. Sweet as pie.
Sweet as pie.
Oh, food and wine festival. Not like that, B. A lot of these marble ones, normal price. Found some good trader pins, $3. That's not bad. Easy to trade. Oh, I got this jacket, B.
Yep.
I told you it looked just like the one you got me, no?
Yep.
You don't like this one.
That's fine.
Do you want this, Hades? This one's cute. Pants. Oh, they're cheaper here, 15. And I get to see them all out. Slumber. These are comfortable. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the quick walkthrough. Let me know if there's anything you want to see next time, or if you want me to go slower or do a voiceover or whatever you prefer. I want to go ahead and show you the little things we got. We didn't get that much. The first thing and my favorite thing is Porgs. He is my favorite. So we actually went to California for Halloween night, and we stayed with my parents, and my parents live near this outlet, and we went, and I fell in love with Porgs. Now I had seen him at the Vegas outlet, and you'll see it in the videos, and I decided not to get him. And then when we were at the store, my husband's like, fine, get it. So I did, and I'm so glad I did, because he was like the attraction of the night for Halloween night. So he is a puppet. He does have like legs, and I believe he was $30. Was he $30? Yeah, he was $30. And he can open his wings and his mouth. I did that backwards. And he does talk. I did turn him off because we were using him like crazy during the night. But then you can hear him. Hold on. But yeah, it's just one of my new favorite things. Just just throughout the whole night, we were just like, we attacked the Tuscan Raiders, and I'll put little clips at the end of the video. But yeah, I'm so happy about him. He's still being sold at Disneyland, so we went a little bit after, and I checked out the stores, and he was at Disneyland for full price, which I believe is $60, and I bought him for $30 at the outlet, so that's great. So that's little Porgy. We're just gonna put you right there. The next thing I got are these Christmas pants. I know they have nothing to do, and it's like July. What month is this? May. And it's May. So these were originally $50, and I got them for $15. Like, you cannot beat that price. They do fit quite nicely. They look like jeans, but they don't feel like jeans. Like, he fell asleep. They're very like soft and like a little pulley, and they have like this jogger style to them. They do have real pockets, which is nice. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I have a lot of Christmas clothes, a lot, and I'm not kidding. Like, I have an outfit for every day in December. Like, that's how much Christmas stuff I have. But $15, couldn't pass it up. And then the last two things that I got were these two pins. So the first one is Hulk, and these are trader pins. So we didn't get them for us. We got them for intentions of trading them later, or when we go to Disney World in June. So these say originally $10. I got him for $3. I do like the Hulk, so if I don't trade him, I wouldn't mind keeping him. And then I also got Captain America, which I don't like, and I really want to trade as fast as I can. But this one was $10 originally, and it cost us $3. Like, $3 trader pins are great, and then if you trade these in the parks, they look great. You know, they're like big trader pins, and for $3, you just can't beat it. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed the mini haul and the mini walkthrough through the outlets. I do have 3 videos now of it, and I have one from Vegas. We're hoping to go to Citadel next time I am out there, so I can check that outlet out, because that one is the closest to Disneyland. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any suggestions for outlet videos that you might want to see. And yeah, I hope you have a magical day, and until next time, adios.